The big challenges for the roads of the future, in my point of view, is the increasing traffic that the roads has to handle. A way of doing that is smart and intelligent way of managing the traffic on the roads, information technology. I think that's a future development of roads that has already started to take place. There are some environmental challenges to the road transport. Noise is one of them, and therefore development and implementation of noise-inducing devices as noise-inducing pavements will be one of the big challenges of the future. Climate change is happening, and it's important to be able to reduce this as much as possible. Therefore, we are developing together with other institutes in Europe road pavements that has less rolling resistance, so that you need to use less energy, less fuel to drive on the roads, and this way you save fuel and CO2 emissions. There's also an economical challenge to the road transport infrastructure, that the funds are not increasing, and at the same time the demands for road infrastructure is pretty big, so there's a need to develop smarter, better and less expensive solutions.